So guys, any kind of website holders, they maintaining a website here is a common point. So they're creating for Google My Business. That is my nothing but Google Maps. In a same Google Maps, if you're using Google My Business, how we can creating for Bing My Business? That nothing but Bing Maps. So Bing Maps is a Bing search engine purpose. So this all information will be providing for Digital Rakesh channel. So anybody we have to index only we can using Google. So is the complete information about Bing or Google they're providing for the website is called Digital Rakesh and the website is called Rakesh Tech Solutions. You can provide everything information to the my channel. You can always me comment your own questions. We always supporting for everyone. Now coming to the point, how is it creating for Bing places using Google My Business? First of all, go to business.google.com. The map is verified. In this map, how can you activate into the Bing places? Now you can go to the option name is Bing places. You can search on Google is open. So the key point is called the login is important for the three optimize. One is Microsoft login, second Google login, third will be Facebook login. But we always using for Google login. This is a key point to import Google My Business into the Bing places. Google My Business into the Bing places. First of all, I'm activate this details first. So detail will finish. Now we can consider in this. We have showing for two options. Climb your business manually from Google My Business. Click here. Now import data from Google My Business weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. So always you can selecting for weekly information. Now log in with the Google account. If anybody asking interview question, can you creating Bing places by using Google My Business? Yes, when log in your Bing places by Google account. Suppose if your login account will be Microsoft or Facebook, it is not possible. This is a very key point. Mind compulsory understand. If you log in any Google My Business to import Bing Business, compulsory Bing places you can log in with the Google account. Now click allow. Now automatically will be convert into the Bing places. So this will be convert here and continue it. This is a live website I have to show on the creating for Bing places by using Google My Business. So these compulse are important. Anybody you can create by the here. Two will be created and coming to the your go to your dashboard. After creating, you have done by this small thing after listing that I'll show you here. There's a very much of key points. After coming to the map, here simple now, you click for verify and click for the add category. Now click for add category. What are the major mistake is a pending that will be finished here. Category coming to this one. So what are the category coming here? We have to finish it. Healthcare, professional service, religion, convert, material, mission, policies, and workshop. So we have to check everything here. Which is comfortable, we can add the comfortable option. Not education, government, communities, the facility centers, state organization, fire protection community centers, and not healthcare, not professional service in the spa cleaning, construction, home garden, legal vehicle, real estate, etc. Connect into monsters. So I can give this option. Now we finish for next. So subcategory. This is a compulsory important. Next, you can add your email address, website link, everything here. So which is we can add it here. This compulsory important. Here is the option. Next and next. Time is perfect. Coming to the submit here. Finally, it is going to verify. Your final submission is going to the verify this option. When it is verified, perfect. Is a verify now. So what is the pending here? You have to pick for in this option. So in this. So I have to verify with the name. So this is a verify with the post also. So this method we have to follow this one. So why it is asking for verification? In this Google My Business is showing for processing mode. So that is the reason they're showing for in this verification. Complete verification will be done when enter the PIN number. So associated will be PIN business listing verification and you're getting for by post address will be here. So this is a method to will be activate your PIN number by this here. So that is a very important. If you are Google My Business, location is verified, automatic verify in the Bing place also. Google Map verified is automatically verified by the Bing Plus also. So this always keep it on mind to activate Bing Places to show your business location on Bing search engine purpose. If any further doubts, please ask me my Digital Rakesh channel and don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.